I'm going to turn this abandoned shop into Robin's.
Say Deborah, let's get the job working at Robin's.
That's a great idea, Leah.
My first 2 customers.
Hi Robin.
Hi Leah and Deborah, how can I help you?
Can we get a job here?
Okay.
Hi Robin, Leah and Deborah.
Hi, I am Lee.
Can I get the job here?
Sure thing. Here comes a customer.
Hi, may I have hamburger with fries and a Coke?
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh man, I really don't feel so good. The evil Anderson clones just made me feel sick. The burger was uncooked, the fries were raw, and the soda was flat. That's it. I will now phone your good clones.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
Hello good clones. The evil Anderson clones gave me raw and uncooked food. Can you please ground them? Bye.
Robin.
Leah.
Deborah.
Emma.
We can't believe you gave a customer uncooked food. Robin, you are grounded forever.
Leah, you are grounded forever.
Deborah, you are grounded forever.
Emma, you are grounded forever.
Robin, let's go home now.
Leah, let's go home now.
Deborah, let's go home now.
Wah 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 wah. Emma, let's go home now.
Wah.
Now let's demolish this place.
Okay.
Now let's turn this place into Wendy's. Hooray, we did it.